Hey guys, it's Giridhar here for G Phone Tech. Asus is one of my favorite companies when it comes to technology. Be it laptop, desktop, mobile phone or any other peripheral, Asus just strives for innovation. One such innovative product is here with us for review. That is the Asus Zenbook UX434. In this video, let's review this laptop and see if this laptop is best suited for you. The Asus Zenbook UX434 is a very slim laptop yet powerful and portable. It has an innovative dual screen display. I'll talk about that later. But first, let's unbox the package and see what do we get in this box. Apart from the UX434 laptop, we get a 65-watt charger and a LAN adapter along with it. The Zenbook UX434 is a sturdily built laptop. It conforms to military standards 810G, which means that this laptop can be operated under extreme weather and it is resistant to drop, shock and vibration. This sturdy laptop also looks good. The circular pattern on the top gives it a stylish look. When you open the lid, the laptop base lifts to an angle of 3 degrees. This is something Asus calls the ergo lift. This increases the airflow and helps you use the laptop for prolonged period without overheating. UX434 is available in two color variants, the royal blue and the silver. The laptop weighs just around 1.26 kg and it is smaller than A4 size paper. It has an audio jack, USB 2.0 Type-A port and a micro SD card slot on one side. On the other side, you would find a DC port, HDMI port, USB 3.1 Type-A port and an USB Type-C port. Opening up the lid does not have a lot of flex. It feels really sturdy. The display has about 95% of screen to body ratio. Thanks to the thin bezels and what Asus calls the nano edge technology, you get a full screen experience on this laptop. Though the bezels are thin, Asus has managed to cramp in a webcam and also an IR sensor for face unlocking. This LCD display is available in two variants, 14-inch and 15-inch. The one we have is the 14-inch. Display quality is really good. It is a bright and vivid display and the viewing angles are also great. The Zenbook UX434 has a bottom-firing stereo sound dual amplifier speakers. These speakers are tuned by Harman Kardon. The quality of the sound from this speaker is good. For a laptop of this size, I would say the sound is really loud. The chiclet style keyboard is backlit. The keys are well spaced out from each other and it has a good striking feel when you actually type on this keyboard. It is soft and there is no sound when typing on it. There is no dedicated number pad and also the arrow keys are really small. Now let's talk about the Screenpad. Last year, Asus introduced the Screenpad for the first time and now they have upgraded the technology and they calling it the Screenpad 2.0. Normally, in the place where you get the trackpad, you get a 5.65-inch Full HD Plus resolution display. The Screenpad has a few applications and you can also configure it to have a few application shortcuts. Not just icon, you can drag and drop an entire application window inside the Screenpad. With a tap of 3 fingers, you can activate the Screenpad and you can interact with it. Tapping with 3 fingers again makes it a trackpad. While using it as a trackpad, I found this to be very accurate and convenient. Using it as a Screenpad, I found it to be a really useful feature. You can use it as a secondary display wherein you can play a YouTube video or have controls for a Spotify application, or even you can drag the entire toolbar from Photoshop or Microsoft and place it inside the Screenpad. This is a very innovative and useful feature. I find the Screenpad 2.0 to be more useful compared to the infamous touch bar on the Apple MacBook Pro. The Zenbook UX434 ships with Windows 10 Home by default. The laptop comes with two variants, Intel Core i7-8565U or the Intel Core i5-8265U. The DDR4 RAM is available up to 16 GB. In the i5 variant, which I have, you get a MX250 for the graphics card. The top end variant can also have the Nvidia 1650 for the graphics card. This laptop also has up to 1 TB of SSD in the PCIe slot. The performance of this laptop is best suited for documentation or office purpose, little bit of photo or even video editing, and for basic gaming. The benchmark scores are impressive and I also find that the fan operation is really quiet. This laptop UX434 has a 50 watt hour 3-cell lithium polymer battery, and to charge this battery you get a 65 watt fast charger. In my usage, I find this laptop battery to last for 10 to 12 hours. The UX434 is a sturdily built laptop which is portable and also has a good performance. I find the Screenpad 2.0 to be a great innovation and it will definitely add and enhance your user experience while using this laptop. The 14-inch UX434 is available for a a starting price of rupees 80,000, that is 79,990, and it is available with Asus retailers, Amazon, Flipkart, and also Paytm. I hope you like this video. If you like to watch more of my videos, make sure you subscribe to my channel G Phone Tech. Until I catch up with you on the next video, this is Giridhar signing off. Goodbye.